welcome to Railway Routes. Today we're at Midsomer Norton. Today is just a short flight. We're starting in Chilcompton. We'll be flying along part of the old alignment, over the infield cutting and along Midsomer Norton's current rebuild. Okay, so to make things easier for you, I've marked out the route of the old course. The big feature here is the cutting that's been infilled, but here was also a short tunnel where the south portal is still obvious. I believe it's used for a gun club at the moment. It would be interesting to know if the north portal is still there, just overfilled with that household waste infilling. I believe it's the ambition of Midsomer Norton to remove this waste and extend their line through it. Okay, so now we're over Midsomer Norton's rebuild. The grid references are referring to points in the blog which accompanies this. It'll give you more details at ground level as to what's going on. Don't forget to take a look at the 360s as well, just so you have a better interactive experience. I've seen from Facebook posts how much interest there is to have the bridge reinstated across this B road here. Whether that's achievable long term, time will tell. And so this brings us to the end of another Railway Routes. Thank you for watching.